Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas day 17. Yes, we're almost in the 20s. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm so tired. If y'all saw the previous clip, y'all know why I'm tired. Yeah, but good morning. Welcome to another Vlogmas episode. We've been up for a bit. I was actually washing Aaliyah's hair. I did that off camera. She don't want to, yeah, she's like, I don't want nobody looking at me. So, gotta respect that. Yeah, I was washing Aaliyah's hair. She's actually getting dressed right now. They have a themed, well, they have a party they're going to today. And they have to dress in jammies. They have to dress in their Christmas jammies. And, then Christmas pajamas don't fit. So I asked hubby to go, I asked Ja to go to the store to pick up some for them. I'm not wearing no PJs. Yeah, but the girls are. What's on today's agenda? Lots of editing. The girls have to go to that Layla's friend's party. Aaliyah was invited too. I'm taking Zane with me also. I need to go do Aaliyah's hair. Okay. My battery is dying. So most likely I'm going to finish her hair and then I'll change my battery because I don't want to stop what I'm doing right now because Zane's fussy. So y'all will see this when I'm done, okay? Okay guys, this is Lil Mama's hair blown out. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it for the party, but look at all that hair. I should not like comb my hair, you know. But yeah, just a quick little blowout. Might give her a cute little bun. Yeah. Okay, so this is Lil Mama's hair. I gave her two little space buns. And I threw some little curls in the back. Turn this way. Yeah, but as soon as she go to do it, you know, so this I go puff up. It's already going already. Yeah, I just used my wand curler to give her some little curls. She said that's what she wants, so that's what I gave her. Turn around, baby. Like it? And this is the PJs she got. Yeah, we're not all gonna be matching this year, but it's okay, right? Yeah, y'all grow too fast. That's what that is. You want to show them yours? Look at this one. She's festive. She has the red plaid on because that's what she wanted. Yeah, she's matching the bows in the back. Bruh. We're a little behind, but we're on the move. I'm not taking Zane with me because one, he had fell asleep 2, he got up early and he is grumpy. He was grumpy McGrumpfish, and I was just like, that's he's gonna be grumpy for a while because he didn't have a full nap. So he's gonna stay home with his papa. It's just gonna be us girls today. The boys are at home and the girls are out. And I called Renee. Well, she called me, but my phone was in my purse, and my purse was in the truck. And I told her I'm a little behind, and she said that the moving to start yet. All right, we are here. We're about to go in. I'll see. Oh snap! Hold on.
Approximately 10 hours later.
You got it? You ready? You can do. Yeah, okay. Oh.
Nice meeting you guys. Thank you.
I wanna love you.
That's what I was afraid of.
Treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together.
Okay. That's cool.
With the roof right over our heads, we'll share the shelter of my single bed. I wanna know now. I wanna know now. I got to know now. I wanna know. I wanna know every day and every night.
That's how I made to give him the coffee. I'm delighted. Jano tell me passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a poison. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, this is blessings fall by my right hand. But that was for the friends we take off every road. One time did sit down in a class and we poured them. Only said the road and we go on with the road. To us, yeah. To us. When I rise and post, yeah, we give thanks.
are back home. It's been a while. We came home. We got settled in. Excuse me. Got the kiddos in bed. Finished the vlog for the most part, but I didn't close out, so I'm hopping on here to close out today's vlog. It was a very eventful day. As you can see in my eyes, your girl's tired. So yeah, I'm going to end today's vlog like this. Oh my god, I am so tired. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe. Bear with me, I'm tired. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Leave me a comment below. Tell me if you guys are enjoying this vlogmas episode. For the most part, they're eventful, but you know, your girl's doing her thing. So yeah, I'll see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.